Thanks for watching how to reconnect your Ring camera back to your Wi-Fi. First, you're going to click on these three lines over there, devices. Then you're going to click on front deck or driveway or find your device is what you're doing. Device health, I don't know why it's device health, but that's what they want you to click. Over here you push the button on your Ring camera on the side of the door until you pick up the Wi-Fi, offline, click on that, change network. So you're going to click on that. And then you're going to click on continue at the bottom. Real quick, battery is charged. I don't know why they want that, but they want that, so click that. Recent Wi-Fi or network change, new password, or there's other options here where it says no route word change. Maybe you just got disconnected for no reason. And then you're going to say I am near the device. Click on that. It's going to load. Then you're going to click on this little orange button on the bottom of your stick-up cam. If you're using the stick-up cam, if it's not the doorbell has the one on the side, the light. Click on that. Got it. Pretty easy here. Success. All self-explanatory. Ring wants to connect. Let it connect. This is the final step. Click on the Wi-Fi. Once you click on the Wi-Fi, congratulations. Your stick-up camera is connected. Stick-up camera has the little orange button on the bottom. The Wi-Fi Ring doorbell has the one on the side of the unit. Thanks for watching. Give me a thumbs up. That's all I ask.